morning, friends, and happy Sunday. Today is Sunday, which I just said that. I'm trying to back my car out, hold on. And we are checking out of Margaritaville. Sorry it's so close. And then we are headed to, I do not want to hit that car behind me. Then we are headed to, this is like such a small parking lot. Headed to Gulfport, Mississippi, or the Biloxi area in Mississippi. And we're gonna go spend the day with my son, which I'm excited about. And go to a car show that is out there, which I am very, very excited about. So I'm happy to do all that, but first we gotta load up the car, and I think we're gonna go grab a small bite to eat, breakfast wise, and then we'll get on the road. It takes about, what does it say, 2 hours to get there. So we are gonna be headed that way. So I'm gonna pull up here and let Brian load up our car. And yeah. So we made it to Biloxi, Mississippi. Oh yeah. Good, yeah. And we're staying at this hotel again. This is the White House in Biloxi. We love this place. It's so pretty. And it's so reasonable here, which is amazing. I love it. Yeah. On the trailer, I love the rim. Yep. And this is the view that you have outside of the hotel, which is really cool. And this is the cruising weekend where all the old cars are here. There's one right there going on his trailer. And then there's the swimming pool for this place, which is cool. Which was empty last time we were here. Was it? Yep. Oh yeah. Cool. And then I think as soon as Brian's mom and dad get here, which we don't know where they're at, and Brandon should be here any minute. He said he's on his way. I think we're gonna go get some lunch and go get some pizza. So that'll be nice. So we are in Gulfport, and I know it's really, really windy, so I apologize. But this is Gulfport, right back through here. This is where my son is stationed, and we're back here, like on this fishing pier, and just walking around. And they're all up here, and you guys can see there's a storm coming in, so we're probably gonna get wet, but how cool though. And we just whoa, water is like, whoa, coming up big time. Wow, look at this. Wow, that's a lot of water coming up. That's cool. But anyway, we just had pizza and stuff. Wow, look at this. You can see where it's all splashing up. That's so cool. Yeah, on this side too. That's neat. I guess Brandon said, well, maybe I was wrong. There used to be a casino here. I think he said there used to be a casino here, and Katrina, it got all knocked down with Katrina, I think he said. But yeah, everybody's out here on this little dock. What is it? Yeah, I see him. Ooh, yeah, feel that. Dang. So we are at Hard Rock Hotel and Casino right now, walking around. There's my kid right there. And it's raining. There's the big guitar outside. And there he is. And then Keith and Chris have stopped off at Dunkin' Donuts, which is right there, to get a coffee. So this is actually really cool. You like order, it's a Robo bar. And you order your drink like right here, and then they make it right there. Wow. That's really cool. Yeah. How cool is that? Huh? I really love that. Okay. It's doing its thing. It's doing its thing now.
Look at that.
Brian, do you recognize this song? Brian?
That's crazy.
Ha! That is so cool.
Yeah.
That is...
It's not even pour anything out.
It's not even a full cup. They're gonna get another one for you.
That was both of us.
No, we ordered two.
Yeah, that's two.
That is?
That one did one too.
Oh, I think it's theirs.
I don't think we were the first ones here to order something.
No, I don't know. That's all you get? So there is what that robot made. My drink, Robo bar. Very cool. You want to try it? So it's actually not so bad, right?
No, I ain't bad at all.
It's pretty good. I'll probably get like drunk off this one. I won't be able to drive back to the hotel now.
Yeah, it's like right down the road.
Yeah. So this place is really, really pretty. And they actually had a couple of other old cars parked out front here. And my father-in-law just keeps looking at them. I took a couple of pictures of him in front of these cars. My son just left. And I'm sad because we only got to spend like today with him. And I thought he was gonna stay the night with us tonight, but he decided not to. So, but anyway, okay, there's a mosquito. Goodbye, goodbye mosquito. So anywho, so we are getting ready to walk across the street though, and go to the little beach area and check that out for just a few minutes. But we all just kind of sat in there and had snacks, and they all had coffee and all kinds of stuff. So it was just nice. But now my baby had to go back to his base, and we are gonna walk across the street. So, but this place is so beautiful. I love it here. It is such an awesome hotel, and for like $109 a night, you cannot beat that price. Look at this tree. Isn't that gorgeous? That tree. We got a long time to go, so
Take it all the way across to the second. Like, you know, run. Oh, yeah.
What did she do? What happened? It's definitely very pretty out here. Ooh, look how pretty this is. Very pretty. There's one of the casinos right there. That is Beau Rivage right there. There's Brian right there. I just left my shoes here. Okay, so I left my shoes. Da, 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 da. So pretty out here. So obviously, oh, there's a jelly. There's a jelly and a jelly. Jellyfish. Jellyfish there. Jellyfish there. Jellyfish there. Jellyfish right here. Yeah. And a jellyfish here. There you are. There he is. Go, Krabby, go. Go, Krabby, go. Run, Krabby, run. They are. They're so fast. Good morning, friends, and happy Monday. Brian and I are checking out of our hotel and we are heading home. Brian's mom and dad left probably about 30 minutes ago, so they are headed home as well. And I am headed out to the car to put some stuff in there. He's already loaded it. And let's go check outside and see what it's like. Ah, yes, hot. And it still saddens me because my kid is like just 10 minutes down the road and I'm like, I'm so close to my kid and I can't see him today. It's so sad. But, oh well, he's over on the base. Uh-oh, we got some fog going on. So we're foggy again. It's the humidity. The humidity. Ooh. This bag is so heavy. But anyway, so today is Monday. Like I said, we're heading home. And then I have to go home and repack for Brian tonight because he is leaving for Knoxville and Memphis for the rest of the week for business. And then Friday, his cousins will be in town, or his cousin and her husband will be in town. And then Saturday morning we leave for Tampa for our cruise. Which, little update on the cruise. Looks like the hurricane or tropical storm is obviously going to miss us. It's not going to be near us. It's going to be, sorry about the fog right now. It's going to be up past us. Ooh, that was weird. It's gonna be up past us. See if I can work that. See if it'll like. It's gonna be up past us in South Carolina by Saturday. So we're all in the clear, which is great. So basically what I'm gonna be doing this week is packing for our trip and getting all of our clothing and stuff ready for the trip. So that is what I am excited about, is trying to pack and get all that stuff together and lay all that stuff out and prepare for our week ahead. I think the door, okay. So anyway, yeah, we're heading home. So hang out with us today as we head home. Brian might have to stop off at a company on his way home in Montgomery. He just called one that was closest to here, like Daphne, and they stopped by his booth when he was at IMTS in Chicago, and they kind of are already using a software that they are trying out, and Brian was just gonna stop by there and show him his software, and they're already using a different one right now, so he might just keep them in mind and do another follow-up with them later on. But we might stop at another one in Montgomery that was also using or interested in using his software. So woo, hair. But yeah, so I'm gonna set my GPS for home, my Waze, because I love using Waze. I always use Waze. If you guys don't know what Waze is, it is a navigational app. It's awesome. It kind of tells you where like potholes are, cops are, cars stopped on the side of the road. It's really nice. So I'm just gonna set it for home and away we go. Brian's back there putting his stuff in.